Holy smokes. Breakfast time. Chick-fil-A, the only place for breakfast. Of course, they've started serving lunch 9:30, 10:30 here. We're getting lunch for breakfast at Chick-fil-A. All right, well, back at the truck, and me and Clark are headed to
the campsite.
Yep. Headed to our campsite. They're excited. They haven't seen it yet. Me and Rachel, we brought them up here with us last weekend, but my sister kept it. They didn't actually get to see it. So I think they're going to be pretty excited. And I am very excited. Very excited. I think you guys are going to love it. It's an awesome, awesome campsite. For friends and family to come and visit us will be perfect. Anyways, here we go. We're loaded up, ready to run. So we just turned onto this road that the GPS took us on. And as soon as we get on it, it says, there's a sign that says no big trucks. I'm like, what does that mean? Low bridge, tight turns, I don't know. So far it's been kind of sketchy, but not bad. There's no shoulder at all. No shoulder at all. So hopefully we'll be back out on the highway soon. I don't know, I'm gonna have to replan my route here to make it sure that it's RV friendly. Because when we came,
turn left onto Benton Pike northeast.
When we came down here last weekend, there was this super low bridge, like a 12-foot bridge, right by our campsite. So I'm trying to make sure we don't go in that way. Anyways, hopefully I'll see you guys at the campsite and not like jammed up somewhere. Okay, we finally made it off of Benton Pike and out to Highway 411. Boy, was that tight. Holy smokes, it was tight. Now we're going into like, I'm turning on Main Street.
It's raining, but I looked at the weather and it wasn't supposed to.
Sorry about that. Now I'm turning on to Main Street, which looks tighter than Bob Ross's blue jeans. So I'm gonna get off here and make sure I don't miss a turn.
Take the second right onto Town Creek Road. Take the next left to stay on Town Creek
Very
Road.
close.
Then turn right onto Patty Road.
Okay.
Okay, we finally got her backed in. Made it to our campsite. Some of the stuff is thrown up out of the trailer. Oh, look at this mess we've got to unpack. Holy smokes. So anyways, we're putting our deck down now. We're gonna put our deck down, continue unpacking, and I'll give you guys the grand tour once we get everything unpacked.
Tell her the box around.
So we're finally making some progress on getting everything unpacked. We took a little break and rode our bikes, got all our tires aired up in our bicycles, and rode around the campground to take a break. But we're back now. Put the bicycle trailer together. Took my fifth wheel hitch out, which needed to be done really badly because it just takes up so much room. And of course, as we're cleaning messes up, messes are being made. Just still cannot get over how awesome our campsite is. So I don't know if you can tell right now from the video, but this is the Ocoee, and kind of where those furthest campers are is the Tellico, and we're literally right at the confluence where they meet. So, and you can see a little boat out there, and there's a boat ramp at our campground. So super excited to either get our boat down or sell our boat and get a different boat. Super duper stoked about our campsite. Got all our coolers, got our food in the fridge and unpacked, and we've got all this cleaned out, and we're putting down these foam tiles, and we're gonna put a rug over the tiles. Is that right, Nora? Is that what we're gonna do?
Say hi.
Where'd Joe? Say hi. Say hi to all the people. So we got all of this junk back here that we've got to disperse throughout our camper. Yeehaw. That ought to be fun. But we are definitely making progress, right, Ma?
Right.
What the world is going on up here? Are you kids living your best life?
Yeah.
This looks like the ultimate play fort. And you could even sleep up here and put you got a TV? Wowzers.
It's not the boys' room.
I know, this is the ultimate room, huh?
Yeah.
Are you guys having fun in Ella's room?
Go, Mom. Pip and Freddy.
Pip and Freddy?
Yep.
Ready, set, go. Who's Pip and Freddy on?
Tot.
Tot. How's the Tot song go?
Da, 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 da. Bringing this baby home. Bringing this baby home. Soaring through the skies we go. Bringing this baby home. Bringing this baby home. Soon we'll be with your family. Bringing this baby home.
Yes. So we're making some progress, slowly but surely getting things unpacked and done away with. Very slowly, very surely. What about you, Chad? You guys having fun up there?
We're cleaning up because Mom made us.
Mom's making you clean up? Well, that's no fun. We still gotta unpack all this stuff. I mean, this camper is packed full of stuff. Here's our neighbor, which we've already met, one of our neighbors, super nice guy. And I just set up our new grill. We got the Camp Chef 3-burner grill. It's like the cheapest. It's the Explorer 3X. Fits 14-inch accessories, which is this griddle top here is a 14-inch accessory because you can take it off if you want. And if you take it off, you've got 2 more eyes. So there's our cases. I'm gonna get a cover for it, some gas. Got our flags up over here, blowing in the wind. Yeah, life is good. Life is good at the campground. First day at the campground is a success so far. Just talked to my mom. She's gonna try to come out here Monday and hang out with us. Look at this squirrel. Look here. Look at him. Look at this. He is not even a little bit like shy. He's over here just enjoying our Ritz. Like, oh, these were your Ritz? Wiener dogs. Messing around with them. Fearless. Absolutely fearless. Guys, come here and look at this squirrel. Death stare. He's nervous. What are we gonna name him? We gotta name him if he's gonna be hanging out with us all day.
Huggy.
Huggy?
Huggy.
Huggy?
Huggy.
All right, well, that's enough squirrel action for the day. well, the day has come to an end and it is time for dinner, and we are excited about it. I think we're gonna cook some tacos tonight. Rachel's just coming home from the store with some essentials like just some drinks and chips for our tacos and the good stuff like that. So anyways, guys, it's been a long, hard day here at the campsite, and we are glad that it's over, and we cannot wait for tomorrow to get everything the rest of the way set up, get settled in, go see what town's all about, and I don't know what tomorrow holds, so stay tuned because I'm gonna vlog it.
Tacos.
Taco night, refried beans, taco meat.